Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Inverse Trigonometric Function Miscellaneous Exercise question number 11. Let's see the question. Tan inverse root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x by root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x is equal to pi by 4 minus half cos inverse x. Here they have given x, we need to conclude in cos inverse. So if I start to conjugate or do something with the given thing, I can't get the value of cos inverse because here tan inverse is there. The tan inverse need to get cancelled, so I want a tan here. For that reason I am going to change x to some value. So changing x to, here we have cos, so changing, let x is equal to cos theta. I am going to substitute cos theta in the place of x. If I substitute cos theta, I get tan inverse root of 1 plus cos theta minus root of 1 minus cos theta by root of 1 plus cos theta plus root of 1 minus cos theta. Here seeing the root value, the previous sum we have done with the conjugate, but here we have 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta formula. So I am going to directly substitute the formula here. We know that 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 and 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So I am just going to substitute the value because we know the value and it's square, which is easily for us to cancel the roots. So tan inverse, here it becomes 1, instead of 1 plus cos theta, I am going to substitute root of 2 cos square theta by 2 by minus root of 2 sin square theta by 2. Here root of 2 cos square theta by 2 plus root of 2 sin square theta by 2. Now this becomes tan inverse. Here root 2, in the both the value we have root 2, I am taking root 2 common, it become cos theta by 2. Here root and square get cancelled, minus sin theta by 2. The same way in the denominator also I can take root 2. Here root 2 cos theta by 2 to root 2 sin theta by 2. In that I am taking root 2 common outside, it becomes cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Here both root 2 get cancelled. We have cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 sin plus sin theta by 2. We want a tan to get cancelled. For that reason I am going to divide the whole thing with cos theta by 2. If it is cos theta by 2, this get cancelled and here it becomes tan. Same way this get cancelled and here it becomes tan, so that it will be easy for us to solve it. So tan inverse, here by dividing with cos theta by 2 it get cancelled and it becomes 1 minus tan theta by 2. Same way by 1 plus tan theta by 2. So we have got the form of tan inverse 1 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan theta by 2. Here in the place of 1 I can substitute tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45 degree, tan 45 degree is nothing but 1. So in the place of 1 I can substitute, because it is in the form of, if you get 1 plus tan theta by 2 or 1 minus tan theta by 2 in the numerator and the denominator, we can make the formula, we can introduce the formula here as tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. We can introduce the formula here. Here in the place of 1 we can substitute tan pi by 4. Here we will get tan A minus tan B. Let you keep the 1 as it is and the plus will be the same. We have 1 in multiply, so in the place of 1 multiply I can substitute tan pi by 4, which 1 is nothing but tan pi by 4. So if I substitute 1 into 1, here we can take it to be into 1, so I can do it as tan pi by 4 into tan theta by 2. There is no change in the question. So tan inverse, in the place of 1 tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta by 2. Now I have not changed the question. in the place of pi 1 I have just substitute pi by 4. It is in the form of tan A minus tan B formula. So I can directly introduce the formula here. In the place of A we can write it as pi by 4. In the place of B we can write it as, so this becomes tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus tan A minus B formula. So A minus B here is theta by 2. Now tan get cancelled. We have pi by 4 minus theta by 2. We know that x is equal to cos theta. If I bring cos to this side, it becomes inverse. So in the place of theta we can substitute pi by 4 minus, in the place of theta, cos inverse. So cos inverse is equal to theta. Inverse x is equal to theta. So x, let the half be as it is. The theta value is cos inverse x. This is equal to our RHS. Hence proved. We have proved the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.